How to screenshot on PC. Today we are going to learn 2 easy ways to take screenshot on PC. The very first is really amazing. So you just need to search snip and you will find snipping tool. And here you just need to click, once it is opened, you just need to click on new, and you can simply drag your mouse like this, and here we go. You just have taken the screenshot. I'll just take it again. I'll search snip, I'll open the snipping tool, I'll click on new, and let's say if I want this part only to take the screenshot, and here we go. So you can take the screenshot of website, application or whatever on the PC. And the second way is to press the print screen key on your keyboard. Every laptop, desktop or keyboard has a print screen on the keyboard. In my laptop it's on F11, so I'll press the print screen, which will be PRTSCN in short in your keyboard. Just press it and press Window and R, so your run window will open, and here type MS Paint and hit enter. So in this manner the paint will open, and you just need to press Ctrl V, and here we go. We have successfully taken the screenshot. So these are the 2 ways where you can take the screenshot. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.